So I'm an ambassador for INECI and the Women's Engineering Society, and I go into schools and speak. Sometimes we have people contact us here and say, can they have a look around and get involved? What's really great about this kind of engineering, it's very, very visible. Lots of engineering isn't. It's very enclosed, it's a bit of a black box system. But here you actually see it. You feel the flames when we're stoking the boiler, you can feel the heat going through the pipes, you can see the engines moving. And that actually is quite inspirational because people can see what's happening. So we do have some younger volunteers here that are doing A-levels or at university and they're wanting to get experience, just want to know what engineering's about. And this gives them a hand-on opportunity where they're contributing to the museum. And I'm really thrilled that I can help that process for younger people coming up, and hopefully it will just keep continuing. So that's one of the reasons why it's so important to have places like this museum, because you see real life, breathing engineering going on. I've never seen these engines work before we got the boiler back online. I came into the museum after the boiler had broken, so actually taking something that didn't work and to take it from that situation to a point where we're actually having our first public event, that's incredibly satisfying.